to collect a full face's worth of makeup. And to keep the experiment focused on Facebook's recommendations, I'm gonna buy the first item of each category that I find. Now, I've been on Facebook since 2006, so they've had a lot of time to gather information about me. And even though I don't post on my personal Facebook page that much anymore, I use Instagram pretty often, and I do follow a decent amount of makeup brands on there. So Facebook does have some information on what makeup companies and styles I like based on my activity within the Facebook family. All right, let's start combing for ads. Okay, so I found our first makeup item for our full face. I came across this sponsored post for Thrive Cosmetics, cause spelled like a cause I'm fighting for, and it looks like they're advertising to me a long-lasting nude metallic eyeshadow quad. There seem to be a couple different color combos, but the one that is in the ad is like white, copper, black, and brown. So let's get that one. Eyeshadow, let's check. All right, so it's about an hour later after I bought my eyeshadow quad, and the good thing about Facebook ads, at least for my purposes, is that once you bite, they start popping up more. So I now have an ad for a concealer from Wander Beauty. It says, "You'll never need to reach for another concealer for the rest of your life."
Damn.
I'm just gonna click shop now. Shop now, I say. I am always a little nervous about buying concealer online just because of the color issue. The first one's called Fair. I don't think I'm fair. The second one's called Light. I could be light. You know what? It's winter. I'm gonna guess light. Okay, it's a couple days after those first couple of items, and I found 2 more makeup items on my Facebook feed just now. So this first item that I found is Wonder 2 High Tech Beauty Wonder Brow. I've actually heard about this product before, and I've seen this specific brand on my Facebook feed a lot before, actually over the past few months, so I'm glad that we got it. It seems to be some type of like brow gel. It says, "Get perfect brows in one step that will last for days." Days? Wait.
Days? What is this thing?
Wait, days? So that should be interesting. All right, so I'm getting this. My Wonder Brow and Free Dual Brush Combo in Jet Black. And then this is the second product that I found on my feed today. I found an extreme coverage foundation. It's from gearjustforyou.com. It says, "This makeup liquid foundation concealer works like magic." They like show all these like really intense videos of people covering up their tattoos and like wearing it underwater. So I say, let's get it. It says, "Powerful waterproof formula covers everything: primer, highlighter, professional contouring makeup, Dermacol concealer cream." Why do I feel like we're on Wish? All right, so I'm gonna look through the shades and see what the possibilities are. I'm gonna go with color number 211. Cross your fingers. So it's a few days later and I found 2 more ads. So first off is this ad for liquid highlighters from Piper House. So this says, "These liquid highlighters have me shook. Shine bright like a diamond. Get your highlighters here. Like and share if you want the look." So seems like we shall be shining to the gods. Is that the saying? Highlighted to the heavens. I've got a few different colors, so let's scroll through these and see which one I should get. Halo was the first option when I kind of like scrolled in here. So I am going to add this halo to cart and then we're gonna check out. So the second product I found is this eyeliner by Focallure Beauty. It says, "Say goodbye to dull and dirty smudges around your eyes and get this feather cushion pen eyeliner. Make your eyeliner flawless." Salsa dancing girl 3 times. I just realized it probably would have been interesting to see this for all of the products I've bought so far, but I just thought of it. I clicked on the little 3 dots in the corner and looked at the "Why am I seeing this" option, which you can do on Facebook ads, and it basically says that Focallure Beauty wants to reach people interested in beauty and also women ages 24 and older who live in the United States. All right, so let's get this feather cushion pen eyeliner for $20. So on this "Why am I seeing this" ad page, they give you a couple of cursory reasons as to why you might be in this company's ad demographic. For almost all of these companies, they said that they showed me this ad because I'm interested in beauty, I'm over 18, and I live in the United States. But if you look at the options provided to brands when they're making a Facebook ad, you'll see there's a lot more specificity to it besides just age, location, and general interest. There's a lot more about purchasing behavior, internet activity off of Facebook, and what mailing lists and rewards cards you've signed up for, amongst other things. So it's kind of nice that they provide you this page, but I'm pretty sure it's not telling you the whole story. Okay, just checking in to let you guys know that I just bought a lipstick from Facebook probably about 30 minutes ago when I was waiting on the street. I saw an ad pop up for a product that I'd already seen before and I didn't want to let it get away this time, so I bought it right then and there. On the website, basically it said that it was a 3-piece lip kit by Focallure, which is the same company that we got the eyeliner from. There were a bunch of different options for color combos, but I chose the Lips Kit 3 just because this color number 16 Del Rio and number 17 Studded Kiss looked good to me. So I went with sort of like the plummy pinks, I'm gonna call it. Okay, so this is an ad from Tyra Beauty. Yes, as in Tyra Banks of ANTM fame. It says, get huge lashes, sexy smoky smiles, and so much more at Tyra Beauty.
Introducing Smack My Fat Lash.
Smack My Fat Lash mascara is what it's called.
What a name.
They say that Tyra Beauty wants to reach people interested in MAC cosmetics, but I don't usually click on things relating to MAC cosmetics. And also, we just started rewatching America's Next Top Model like 2 days ago. So maybe they saw that I was watching ANTM on Hulu, or maybe they were listening in. All right, so the link takes me to this page on Tyra Beauty called Rise and Smize, and the Smack My Fat Lash is pretty front and center. So with the discount, you get $4 off, so I'm paying $21.95 for my Tyra Banks mascara. All right, so this may be the last item for our full face of makeup. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Blush.
This is my Film Star Bronze and Blush Glow.
That must be Charlotte Tilbury herself.
She sounded like a Spice Girl.
All right, so I'm gonna click shop now. Oh my God, it's $75. It's been sort of hard to find an ad for blush and contour, so I think we should bite the bullet on this one and get it, but 75, wow. So that is bronzer and blush, and the next time you see me, I'll have my full face of Facebook makeup. See you then. Okay, so it's been a couple of months and I think I finally have all of my Facebook makeup items here. I think we should put them on in the order that I usually put on my makeup. So let's start with the brows. Here is our Wunde 2 High-Tech Beauty. Perfect eyebrows that last for days with PermaFix technology. All right, so the instructions basically say to apply the Wunde brow directly to your eyebrow with an angled brush or with the applicator. Look at that, it looks like a lip gloss brush. Ooh, that's dark and smooth. All right, so I'm gonna grab an angled brush and then let's put this on my face. Oh! Oh! Oh no. It might look like a gel, but it feels to me much more like a very thin, matte liquid lipstick. It definitely is a dramatic eyebrow, you know? It's definitely like, my eyebrows are also like getting kind of matted down with it. Yeah, I think that by PermaFix technology, they may have meant glue. All right, I think I'm gonna call my brows done for now. I almost expected with like a 3-day brow product for it to almost feel like a tattoo, but these feel way more like a crunchy hair gel. All right, so next up is eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow, we have our Thrive Cosmetics eyeshadow quad. Ooh, so they basically already have directions in here as to like how I should apply this quad.
Why is it 1, 2, 4, 3?
Just to make it more confusing. Also, how do I get in here? I thought it was gonna open like a pizza box, but it's not. Oh, now this is a cute compact, I will say. All right, so I'm gonna go in with number 1 and put that all over my lid. I will say that even though these shades are pretty normal and neutral, they are very much making their presence known. I think maybe they heard that the eyebrows were really bringing it, so they were like, hey, watch out. Oh, hello. I'm just gonna put a dash of that on the other side and then blend it out. Honestly, is it even possible to blend with your mouth closed? A question I ask to the scientists out there. All right, so I think I've executed the eyeshadow look that they suggested to me moderately well. I actually think that these eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. I just wish that one of the colors was matte, especially in something that's supposed to be like an everyday neutral eyeshadow palette. I just feel like at this point, like it's a lot of shimmer. So next up is foundation and concealer, aka the complexion products. So here is the Dermacol. Oh, it smells very strong. It smells like a 90s plastic McDonald's toy. And the seal is also a metal that you have to pierce.
Oh, that's like hardcore fungus medicine.
Let's get the concealer out here because I know that it's crazy, but I usually do my concealer first. So I think on one side we have like a stick, and then on the other side we have a liquid concealer. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the concealer under my eyes first. Ooh, that actually looks like a pretty good concealer color. All right, now I'm gonna take the lipstick side and put it on a couple little zitties. I don't know about only concealer you'll ever need in your life, but it's blending out pretty nicely, to be honest. It's just kind of a like your skin but better type of concealer. I think that it's a very different vibe from what I expect the foundation to be, because this is really au natural. All right, so now that we've mildly brightened up the purpley parts of my face, I think we should just slather some of this on and cover it all up. Oh my God, it's coming out. Oh, it's slowly snaking its way out. Oh my God. It was like pressurized in there. All right, so this is color 211, and it doesn't look wrong, but it definitely looks pretty pinky. Honestly, it feels like a Nivea body butter. The box smelled insane, but this barely smells at all. All right, ready? I'm gonna put some dots on my face and then blend it out. It looks like it's gonna be a little bit pale, especially if it's like completely full coverage, but it's not a terrible match.
You look like you have chickenpox.
Oh yeah, like I'm covering them all with calamine. This is a very interesting foundation. It's not letting a lot of like my natural color shine through, but at the same time, I feel like it doesn't look that intensely full coverage. It almost just looks like I'm wearing like really intense sunscreen. Yeah, I'm just looking like very shiny and pale. I am glad that it doesn't smell though, because the box reeks. All right, so we've got a few things to do next. First off, I'm gonna like bake my under eye area as well as a few other areas on my face with powder. And then I'm gonna make an eyeliner wing template with my concealer. So eyeliner is up next. This eyeliner looks kind of like a child's toy version of a quill pen. All right, so I'm going to press the brush into the cushion. Oh wow, that got covered real quick. And then I guess I'm gonna take it up to my eye. I'm not really sure what the advantage is of this. I think it's like it's supposed to last really long. Like in the ad, they were like washing their hands that had eyeliner on it. The ink dries fast though. This is not giving me a lot of time to work. The things I like about this inked cushion gel liner is the cuteness. I like the Shakespeare / Harry Potter vibes I get from holding a quill in my hand. Besides that, I don't think I would choose to use this eyeliner again. After like the first few swipes, I found it really hard to get pigment off of the brush and onto my eye. It felt like the brush was dry no matter how many times I dipped it into the cushion. So I think that I ended up somewhere okay, but it took me a while. All right, so now that my eyeliner is done, I think we should dive into our $75 bronzer and blush duo. It's smaller than I thought it would be from this big old box. It looks very beautiful, but they both look kind of pearlescent and the bronzer's kind of light. So I guess we'll see how well this contours me. All right, so I'm gonna use my contouring brush. I'm gonna suck in my cheeks like a fish and go to town. Just trying to contour away my double chin. It's working. No, it's not. Now let me get some of that blush on there. I'm gonna smile and get some on the apples of my cheeks. The blush is quite pigmented. It's frustrating because it does actually look nice. I do see the sort of like natural soft contour and the little bit of rosiness in the cheeks, but $75 for bronzer and blush? I don't know, Charlotte. I just don't know. So next up, we're gonna do my highlighter, which is in the color Halo, which I thought was more of like a purpley shade, but this packaging is very copper. Oh, but inside, it's like white.
It looks like they wanted to call it hollow, but they knew better not to.
Lest the wrath of Christine rain down upon them. It looks a little bit, unfortunately, like glitter glue. Oh, I feel like they just put sparkles in oil. I feel like that's what this is. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit with my finger on my cheekbones and like on my Cupid's bow. I'm not sure about this one, you guys. It's like definitely not a blinding highlight, and it's kind of just like chilling. The girls in the Facebook ad were like dropping this stuff all over their faces, and it looked honestly like liquid gold. And right now it looks just like a little bit of oil. I put some Pam on my face. Okay, so we're almost done with our full face. I think so far it's been kind of an emotional roller coaster. So, you know, I'm interested to see how Tyra measures up. And even honestly, if it's bad, I'll probably still love Tyra for the rest of my life. She's a magnificent woman with some magnificent pranks. Tyra pranks! And this must be the Smack My Fat Lash. Smack it. Ooh, like smash. Schmack it. I mean, honestly, I'm kind of hyped for this, so I want to see how it is. All right, so this says, most mascaras lengthen or thicken, but Smack My Fat Lash does both. This dual formula fuses blue volumizing and black extension technologies to create the fiercest black. It looks nice and separated. They're almost like very skinny but defined lashes is what I would say. Wouldn't call them a fat lash. But for my first encounter with Tyra Beauty, I'm okay with it. I would use it again, especially since I've bought it already. So finally, here's the lips kit. They're like 3 pretty small lip pencils. So let's swatch all 3 and then I'll see which one is my favorite and put that one on. All right, this one's number 16, number 18, and then this is number 17. These don't look quite like what I expected from the website. I think of these 3, my favorite color is number 17, which is the more hearty color, a little minestrone. Oh, that looks way more like fuchsia on the lips. Online and on the box, it looked a lot darker and like more dusty. I think I'm missing like the dust. All right, it does seem to be making my teeth look white, which is nice. And I think there is a decent amount of initial butthole coverage. And by that, I mean coverage on the inner waterline of my lips. So I'm decently pleased with it, especially with how it like feels and seems like it's covering the mouth. But I think the color was the biggest surprise to me. I wish it was slightly different. All right, so we've finally completed my full face of makeup from Facebook ads. And now that it's all on, I'm just gonna wear it around for a couple of hours. A lot of these items say that they're supposed to be like really long wearing, so we'll see if that's true over the next few hours. All right, so this is my makeup after about 7 hours. I think that the foundation in general isn't staying super matte. And if you guys remember, like when I first put my foundation on, the Dermacol was pretty shiny. So I think I'm returning to that original shiny state. But I think that my eyeshadow, my eyeliner, my mascara, even my under eye concealer is looking pretty good still. My butthole is exposed. You know, it's more of an ombre lip now, but there is still some lipstick hanging on for dear life. The products that I liked and would use again are the concealer, the eyeshadow, the mascara, and the bronzer blush duo. The things that I did not like and probably wouldn't use again are the foundation, the eyeliner, and the highlighter. I think that leaves the lipstick and the eyebrows, which are sort of in the middle for me. The eyebrows are obviously very dark and bold, but I'm withholding judgment until I see what they look like in 3 days. So overall, of all of these products, I think the only one that seemed like it was super targeted to me and my interests was the Tyra Beauty mascara. I think that most of the other ads seem just sort of generally targeted at women who are interested in makeup. But I will say with the Tyra Beauty, if they watched me watch America's Next Top Model, it's a little creepy, but it's clever. And that's a true Tyra prank. Or should I say, a Zuckerberg prank. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked that video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to smash that subscribe button. A big shout out to Alessandra for watching. Thanks for watching, Alessandra, and I will see you guys next time.